Good morning, ladies and dudes. I just got done shoveling. I also shoveled my neighbor's side. You gotta help them out. You know what I'm saying? You gotta help them out. We all have to help each other out in this world. So, damn, it snowed a lot last night. Or it snowed all day yesterday. I haven't seen this much snow since 1985, bro. So, it's been a long time since I've seen this much snow. Hopefully, it starts melting soon because they haven't even plowed our roads yet, and I want to be able to drive soon. Okay, so today is my day off. I mean, today's a holiday, so everything's closed anyways. So today I'm just gonna, it's just gonna be like a day in the life of, I don't know, what I eat as a grocery store worker trying to gain weight. As you guys already seen, bam, I made my homemade weight gainer shake. This thing is 940 calories, and I measured everything, as you already seen. It's a lot of calories. It's pretty much, it's almond and cashew milk. It's a high protein almond and cashew milk. I have a lot of peanut butter, like a lot. It's 500 calories just worth of peanut butter, some oatmeal, and protein powder. Normally I would put dates in it for some sweetness, but your boy ran out. It is what it is, bro. So I'm gonna start sipping on this. Now, I'm not one of those people that just can gulp this stuff down and just be done with it. I gotta take my time with it, but I will. I'll probably drink this within the next hour or so. So, yeah, not gonna really do much, like I said. It's just gonna be a chill day. Show you guys what I eat. I am starting to put on weight, which I'm happy about, man. I am so happy. I will put up on the screen what I'm weighing, because I did weigh myself today in the morning. When I started weeks ago, or when I made that video like weeks ago, me crying like a sissy, like I was literally like 99 pounds. And now, I know it's not much, I'm 104 point something, or 105 point something. So I'm happy about that, man. I am super happy. So, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, bro, and I hope you guys enjoy this episode. I almost forgot, silly Vinny. I gotta give you guys a little taste test. Oh man, that's so good. If I added the dates, it would have tasted a whole lot better. But this will do, bro. It's good enough. Dude, it is sunny out here. Damn. The sun's out, bum's out. Oh man, I can't even see my screen right now. That's how sunny it is. I don't know. I might go for a walk. Got the wife here. We might go for a walk, right, baby? She just got done eating too. Now she's doing her. What are you working on? Like school stuff? Resume. She's working on her resume. But yeah, I think we're gonna go for a walk today. You want to go for a walk later, baby? Yeah, I think we're gonna do that because it's actually not that cold, in my opinion, at least. And you gotta enjoy life right now, especially like with weather like this, man. You gotta. Meal number 2, dudes. I got chicken noodle soup, the cup. Chicken in a cup. Not chicken in a cup. This thing is what? 320 calories? Listen, I know it's not the healthiest thing in the world, but I'm just trying to get the calories in right now. And damn, this smells so good. So good. I used to love noodles as a kid. Love them. I haven't had them in so long. So I'm super excited to eat this, yo. Very, very excited to eat this. And then I might just go for a walk later with my wife because it is sunny. But yeah, like I said, it's just a chilled day. Very, very chilled day. Not really doing much. I'm kind of tired, to be quite honest. Very tired. But that ain't gonna stop your boy Vinny. So I don't even know what brand this is. I think my wife bought it. I don't even remember. I just found it on the table. Wait, is it even good? Oh yeah, I got until August. Yo, I wish you can smell this. It smells so good. I don't know how many of you like noodles, but it's like one of like the greatest things ever, and they're cheap. So you can pretty much eat cheap. It's not gonna be the healthiest, but if you're struggling, hey man, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive. So I'm gonna sit here, eat my chicken noodle soup with no actual chicken in it. Pretty sad looking meal, but it's okay. And yeah, I'll probably go for a walk with me and my wife, and I'm gonna probably have one more meal later on, which I'll definitely show you. So this is just a chill day. I am gonna work tomorrow. I am scheduled tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to that. I can tell you that much. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this. Guys, it's been like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, since I just ate that chicken noodle soup, and I'm eating another meal. That did nothing for me. It didn't even tickle my stomach. So I made myself the soup that I had yesterday. It's got vegetables in it, guys. Vegetables. Thanks to my lovely wife. But I am trying to get more vegetables into my diet. But yeah, I'm getting hungry nowadays. I think just my appetite's starting to pick up. Like I said, I'm still underweight. So that's why I think my appetite's like ravishing. Is that the word? I don't know if that's the word. I'm trying to sound smarter than I really am. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. I honestly have no idea how many calories this is. But with the shake and that noodles, I think I was like at 1,300 calories. Or just under 13. I don't know. This is probably gonna be around 1,800. I don't know. I'm just trying to get the calories in, dude. And I say dude a lot. I gotta stop saying that. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and we'll probably go for a walk. Show you guys a little bit of the snow, because we got a lot of snow. A lot. We're out here walking, and let me tell you, it's actually pretty windy today. It's insane. I'm gonna show you the snow. You know, it's good to go out, and I like walking. I love walking. Honestly, I'm enjoying this right now. I am enjoying life. Even though it's cold, it's like minus 20 right now. But it's okay. I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's pretty windy. I wasn't expecting this. I was stuck inside all day, so I really wasn't expecting this. But yeah, we're just gonna go for a walk down the street and back up. Nothing crazy. And yeah, I'm actually pretty full from that last meal. After eating that, man, I was so full. So I'm just letting my food digest right now. This is why I need to walk anyways. Oh, what a disaster. This street just turned into a one-way street. You know, people are trying to go down, people are trying to drive up. It's like, what do you do? Who knows? Check out this car. This one's completely buried too. Like, these snowbanks are huge. Check out this snowbank. This is like a mountain of snowbanks. Life is good, guys. Life is real good right now. I always preach it. You just gotta appreciate the small things you have in life. Don't stress over... Whoa! I almost fell. Don't stress over the things that don't matter. And you only get one life, so enjoy it, dudes. Enjoy it. Okay, last meal of the day. I've got more pasta. This, honestly, I don't know how many calories I ate today, but one thing's for sure, I know I ate over 2,000, and as long as I eat a minimum of 2,000 calories, I'm good. I am good. I'm not trying to put it on way too much or too fast. I'm trying to do this. To me, I don't want to do this. It's not going to be a short-term thing. I'm trying to make it a lifestyle. You know what? Eat healthy, or I mean, there's nothing really healthy about this. But workout, I'm trying to better my life. You guys already know that. So yeah, you guys already seen the clip outside. It was mad cold. Like, every time I took off my phone, I had to take off my glove, and my hands, well, this one here, was frozen. Like, it was mad cold today, or it is mad cold. But it's all good. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. You gotta enjoy life. So this video is way too long. I know some of you want the longer video, so I don't mind it. But again, I'm gonna eat this pasta. It's actually homemade pasta, and I'm not even sure what kind of meat this is, but it does smell good. I'm not supposed to be eating anything that's tomato based just because of my acid reflux. But I'm starving, man. I don't know. My appetite is pretty high right now, but I feel like it's gonna slow down, man. I feel like it's gonna slow down once I reach, a stable weight, and it's all good. It's all good. I don't mind. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a chill day, like I said. I'm just hoping the snow melts pretty soon. Like, my balcony is full of snow, dude. I was gonna shovel it, but my wife wants to make a snowman. We'll see if we do that. She wanted to make it. We made a snow angel. She's been asking me to make snow angels for like the last several years, but we weren't getting that much snow. So last week, yeah, I think it was like a week ago, I finally took her to make a snow angel. So now she wants to make a snowman. So we're gonna try to do that. But I won't record it. I'm just gonna end the video here. Enjoy my meal, and until next time, dude. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for the support. It means a lot to me. So peace out.